Snowflake. So today me and Snowflake we're gonna do in this video we're gonna make 3 Christmas ornaments. So first thing, it's a tree made out of popsicles. Put a picture like this and decorate your Christmas tree. There's 4 different sizes of pom-poms. You can use it as ornaments. And my favorite pot is the snowflake made out of clothespin.
So you will need 3.5 popsicle sticks, your choice of decoration. She decided to use these colorful small pom-poms. And this is her tree topper, and we will show you how to make this. And we just glued on a small bell in the middle of that snowflake. So form 3 of the popsicle stick into a triangle and glue each corner. And let them dry for a couple minutes. Then glue half of your popsicle, making sure that it's centered and allowing them to dry. So I will just hot glue her picture in before I let her decorate her ornament Christmas tree. Now I am just hot gluing some jute twine so she'll be able to hang it.
The snowflake.
For the snowflake, you need a total of 8 clothespins. All you need to do is take them apart and saving the metal on the side. Now glue them together on the flat side just like this. Then glue the first 4 into a plus sign just like this, and then do the other 4 in between just like this. Once the glue is dry, it should look like this, and we did one last year where we painted it white and added some glitters, and here it is. And for that middle, you can turn them into a star by attaching them together. For the pom-poms, we used these pom-pom makers that we bought off from Amazon, and it came with 4 different sizes. Now making this is very simple. You just open the pom-pom maker and you just start wrapping your yarn. And they should look like this once it's all wrapped up, and then you will start cutting them right here in that middle, and make sure they don't open and you keep them closed. And they should look like this once you're done cutting. Now you just cut a piece of yarn to tie your pom-poms, and you wrap it around the middle of the pom-pom maker. And I tied mine twice to make sure that they don't fall apart. Once you're done tying your pom-pom, now you can open up your pom-pom maker and take them apart. Now you just fluff up your pom-poms and cut any long strand of yarn so that they're all at the same length. And once again, thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the 1 thumbs up button. And don't forget to click that bell. Bye!